How to duplicate product template in Shopify. So I've just logged into my Shopify account here, and from the admin here we want to click on products, and then this will load up a list of all of our products. Make sure you are on the all page here and just simply select the product which we want to duplicate. I will do this keychain as an example, so I will just click on it and this will take us to the product page. Now you should be able to see duplicate right here at the top, and if we want to duplicate a product on Shopify or duplicate this template, we'll click on duplicate and we'll have to set a title for it. So this is going to be copy of keychain in my case. By default you can change this here, and we can select the details which we want to copy. So we can copy images, inventory quantities, translations. So I'll do all of these, and we can also set this either as a draft or active product directly. So I will set it as active, and I'm going to click on duplicate right here. And now, as you can see, we have successfully created a duplicate of this product template, and it's going to appear right here. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.